In the past 30 years that I've been an audiologist, I have worked with nearly every hearing aid manufacturer that's out there. One of our favorite companies is Oticon. Oticon is the oldest hearing aid manufacturer in the industry. They have a long history of providing excellent research and development to produce quality hearing devices that not only are durable, but have the technology that enables a patient to process speech in the presence of background noise and to be able to participate actively in life. What impresses me about Oticon is that this company was founded by a man whose wife was hard of hearing. This man tried to find appropriate hearing health care for his wife, but was unable to. And so he developed a company that would produce hearing devices not only for his wife, but for anyone else that might have difficulties in hearing. Oticon is based out of Denmark. Another manufacturer that we really enjoy working with is Phonak. Similar to Oticon, Phonak uses all of their resources for hearing healthcare only. We can always rely on a product purchased from Phonak. Phonak is based out of Switzerland. They also produce a product called the Lyric. It is a device that is very small, it fits deep in the ear canal, and is completely invisible. The battery in the Lyric lasts 2.5 months, and every 2.5 months the patient will come into our office, we will change out the device for a new one, and they can go on living their lives, sleeping with the hearing devices in, showering with them in, working out at the gym, and any other activity in their life that they enjoy. A convenient aspect of the Lyric that many people enjoy is they don't have to worry about remembering to put their hearing aid in or to take it out at night. They don't have to worry about changing the batteries. So this is a solution that a lot of people like. It may not be appropriate for everyone, but for those that the Lyric is not appropriate for, we can talk about daily wear devices from Oticon or Phonak that would be appropriate for them. Depending on the patient's hearing loss and what their preference is, they may select a hearing device that is custom molded to the shape and size of their ear. Some of these are very, very small, custom-made hearing devices. Others are devices that would fit over the ear with a custom-made mold that fits into the ear canal. Another popular type of device is something called the receiver-in-the-ear technology. This is something that in recent years has become very popular. These devices are not only incredibly comfortable, but enable the speaker to sit in the patient's ear canal, getting a direct, smooth, clear, clean sound quality. The receiver-in-the-ear technology is technology where the speaker itself seats down into the patient's ear canal. There are other devices that would have the speaker or the receiver up at ear level, and then the sound is then sent through a tube that enters into a mold that is made for the patient's ear. With the new technology that is available, patients can select any style of hearing device they want to assist them in their listening needs. Some of the latest advances in hearing technology enable a patient to be able to control their hearing devices utilizing an app on their smartphone. It has been very satisfying to see patients really enjoy their hearing technology, where they can have the phone signal sent directly to their hearing devices without having to use any additional technology. They can have their television technology transmitted directly to their hearing devices. They can use the app on their smartphone to change listening programs for them. That is something that we have not in previous years seen. That is an exciting component that we have added to our technology. When you come to Southwest Hearing Center at either our Phoenix or our Scottsdale location, you'll be entering into a relationship with us that will hopefully last for years. We don't just fit a patient with hearing aids and then send them on their way and forget about them. We have them come in for regular follow-up visits. We reevaluate their hearing loss annually. We inform the patients about newer technology should their hearing devices become old or not function the way they should anymore. As a result, we have patients who have been coming to see us for decades, knowing that they can trust us to provide them with hearing aids that will allow them to hear the very best possible in all their listening environments.